We're gonna have to make a new video for this, a whole new video. Hi, Marcus Bronzy here from How to Kill an Hour, and welcome to our luxury edition of What's in the Box Christmas Special. Stocking fillers. Because we've already done our reasonably priced stocking fillers, we found things that are anything from the cost of £2 but have thousands of people loving them on Amazon. So we found those and we shared those with you. But what happens if you had a slightly better year, eh? What happens if you're a little bit flush with cash? Well, we've decided to put together some luxury stocking fillers for you. And to be fair, this list came to us because Bentley hit us up and said, hey, Marcus Bronzy, how about we send you some luxury Christmas tech? And I said, yeah. So without further ado, let's get stuck into it. So Bentley have sent us this little bag of Christmas goodies. In fact, some of the goodies that they've sent us are a bit too big for this bag, but should we start with what's in here first? So we have, first things first, a little box from Bentley. First things first, we have this. That's right, a Bentley branded USB charging cable. Whilst I give you a little bit of a closer look at some of the detail for this charging cable, I'll let you know a little bit more about it and its cost as well. So this is a practical, durable 3-in-1 charging cable for smartphones and other mobile accessories, certified by Apple, and has adapters for Android with Type-C and Lightning cables as well. And if that's not enough, they've also given you this lovely little soft, which feels like a jewelry pouch for it as well, with a lovely Bentley logo on it as well. Look at that, they're not shy of branding, are they? There you go. 30 quid. And a fancy way of telling your other half to charge their phone. Here we have exactly the same box. No, it's not. This is, what, a car key? You got me a car? Bentley sent me a car. No, actually, I know what this is. This isn't a car. This is the Bentley car key, but it's got one little difference with it. It's not actually a car key, it's a USB stick. That's it. For 49 quid, you can get yourself a replica key fob from the Bentley Bentiaga, the Continental GT or Flying Spur designs. And this 32GB memory stick features a push button actuation of the sliding USB mechanism. Shout out to all of the guys that are trying to have this on their keys on dates and hide the USB part of it, yeah? Yeah? Be on to them. If your date rolls up with keys like this, make sure you look at the top. Make sure they're not fooling you. Next up, we have this. The Heritage Tech Case, which is a case for all your tech stuff that has space for, it's got a bit of fancy parchment paper in it. I've got to say, it's another very heavily branded product from Bentley there. They're very proud of their brand. This Heritage Tech Case is a luxurious leather zip case suitable for carrying laptops, cables, tablets, notebooks and other accessories, and it's made from soft Italian leather and is lined with a soft protective textile lining. Is the leather soft though? Yeah, it is. Oh, it's got that proper nut. Oh, I love that leather smell. And it's relatively soft inside as well. And it's got spaces for you to put your stuff. So there you go. Slightly larger stocking filler, but let's be honest, for those of you that are getting in the comments saying, oh, these aren't stocking fillers, they're too big. When you got money to buy stuff from Bentley for Christmas stocking fillers, your stocking's as big as you want it to be. Up next, got these, which are, I've been quite excited to get my hands on these actually. Ooh, let's get this open. Is that Bentley logo right there at the top. Look at that, that's cute. This is a pair of focal Radiance headphones, but specifically Bentley branded. This is a pair of focal for Bentley Radiance headphones. So focal is the brand. Now, Radiance says they brings together the best focal technology and distinctive Bentley design elements, including striking copper accents inspired by the copper design elements of the EXP100 GT concept Bentley, introduced for its centenary in 2019. Let's get a closer look at the cans themselves, shall we? Lovely. Bentley says it brings together the best focal technology with Bentley's styling and design cues, such as the distinctive diamond pattern that is seen so often within Bentley car cabins. The headphones are also suitable for on the go or use at home. See the nice little bit of detailing there, like the nice little bits of kind of brass or copper there, or a nice bit of Bentley logo there, can't forget that. And they also come with, like you saw, this lovely case, which contains a little adapter. You need to plug it into a big jack, and this special little lead, which has one side plugs into whatever you're plugging into, and the other side plugs into your head. Whoop. One side plugs into whatever you need to listen to, and the other side plugs into your headphones. Now, I have had a go on these. I've plugged them in, and I can say they do sound very nice. They are very comfortable, and they are a statement piece. I can imagine somebody getting onto a flight, business class, of course, whipping these out while everyone else has their regular headphones. I mean, like, sorry, I'm just putting on my special phone. Yep, they're very comfortable, and they're a bit of a statement piece. I would say they're definitely something that I'd probably say I've recommended for indoor use or when you're on a plane, because they're not wireless. I don't really think they're the ones for taking out and about, because I like my wireless vibe. But if you want to stay at home and listen to high fidelity sound with a nice, reasonably loud, flat output, it's like it's not too EQ'd, then yeah, these are great headphones. And yeah, you've got to pay a little bit extra for the Bentley branding, but hey, that's just how it is. Now this, woo, this is a big speaker. This is the name for Bentley Musso speaker, and it's £1,800, and it offers 450 watts of ultimate name audio performance and functionality with copper accents and the recurring lattice pattern, which is reminiscent of Bentley's distinctive diamond quilting. And this wireless speaker connects to all major streaming platforms and playback services, but more importantly, my phone as well. We're about to test it out. But first things first, they say it's finely tuned by engineers in Salisbury. It combines 45 years of their hi-fi mastery with top-of-the-range streaming technology and premium design quality to offer exceptional sound, doing true justice to your music. Now, I happen to really like the little design elements here, like that little, I'm missing it, little lit up logo. The logo that's lit up here, I think that's really, really nice. It's a lovely coppery vibe that's woven in to the front speaker. And as well as this remote control, which, to be honest, that's all right. That's just, it's okay. It's not as nice as this lovely dial that we have right here. This is lovely. And you can also adjust the volume. There. Lovely big metal knob. It's got some nice copper grill on the back as well. Copper coloured grill on the back as well. Nice. So I mean, it's all good, this looking good, but when you spend this amount of money on a speaker, you kind of want to know if it sounds all right. So let's fire it up. I'll connect it to my phone. It sounds good. It sounds really good, this speaker. I think it's more of a speaker that needs to be on the floor so the bass can come through it, but 450 watts should be enough to fill most rooms. I think it looks really good. It feels like a quality piece of speaker, and I think it's a conversational point in the house. Very, very fancy. So hey, one of our bigger stocking fillers, but it's a good one nonetheless. So this is the end of our luxury. What was that? Oh, you got one more. Oh, look. We already have reviewed a car key. Look, just like this and this. This isn't a USB stick. This is. We're gonna have to make a new video for this, a whole new video. See you on the other side.